Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, microeconomics. The contents we are going to cover are theory of firm and market organization, perfect competitions, assumptions, properties, price discrimination. Theory of firm and market organization. In neoclassical economics, the theory of the firm is a microeconomic concept that states that a firm exists and makes decisions to maximize profits. The theory of the firm influences decision-making in a variety of areas, including resource allocation, production techniques, pricing adjustments, and the volume of production. Modern takes on the theory of the firm sometimes distinguish between long-run motivations such as sustainability and short-run motivations such as profit maximization. Perfect competition. Perfect competition is an ideal type of market structure where all producers and consumers have full and symmetrical information, no transaction cost, where there are large number of producers and consumers competing with one another. Perfect competition is theoretically the opposite of a monopolistic market. Since all real markets exist outside of the plane of the perfect competition model, each can be classified as imperfect. Assumptions. A perfectly competitive market has many assumptions such as large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneous products, no discrimination, perfect knowledge, free entry or exit of firms, perfect mobility, profit maximization, and no selling cost. Properties of perfect competition. There are 6 properties of a perfect competition such as homogeneous product, free entry and exit, perfect knowledge of price and technology, no transportation cost, no artificial restrictions, large buyers and sellers. Price determination. Price is determined by the intersection of market demand and market supply. Individual firms do not have any influence on the market price in perfect competition. Once the market price has been determined by market supply and demand forces, individual firms become price takers.